One of the questions that I think healthcare practices should always ask, especially if you're the doctor owner or if you're the practice manager, how can I do less and get more? There's a huge question. What a wonderful thing to be able to answer too, wouldn't it? So many people that I know in that position of either the practice manager or the physician owner, the doctor owner, really get so stressed out. There's so much to do. And so to be able to ask the question or to have the answer to the question, how can I do less and get more? Really, you have to sit down and do some heavy-duty thinking. What are we thinking about? First of all, what is it that I have to do? Okay, that cannot be delegated out. Now, those are hugely important questions. Certainly all the clinical things that you do, but there's also other things you don't want to lose control of. And that really is often dependent on the people that you have around you to delegate to. So that's the second phase of this is, do I have the right people in my circle in order to delegate out? If so, then it leads us to the third item, which is use people to their potential. That's the thing that we see most commonly not done. Most often in healthcare settings, healthcare facilities are not run under a leadership model, but rather a management model. And a management model, we have to tell people what to do, and then we judge whether or not they've done it. In a leadership model, we tell them why we're doing things and where we're headed, and we let them guide themselves. If we can move into the leadership model, it's what provides us the ability to do less and get more. Even in the patient experience, that's what it's all about. As we go in and work with practices, we don't teach people what to do. We teach them how and why they're doing it and let them come up with a way that works for their environment. It works wonders. It's all about the patient experience.
We hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to receive a free download of the Patient Experience Questions and Answers with Travis Fredrickson, please visit www.c4practiceservices.com/free. Learn the specific techniques to increase patient referrals, reduce your stress, keep your staff engaged by simply improving the patient experience. Please visit www.c4practiceservices.com/free.